Hello guys, in this tutorial we are making our website. So in localhost, so we have a new section, double column section and shape divider. Let's start.
We have created a section of our homepage. So what we can do here, so let me start with another section that I give the title, and then give double column and go to this button, take a image and some text. Let it be a little more, for example like this, and again one section with image in this side and text in this side. So let me also copy more lorem ipsum. So we are so let me change the picture. For example, I already downloaded from Pixabay also picture for this, and let's start from the top. Let me first give background to this section. Go to this button, 6 dots. So go into classic background and color, how I said, make it with color hunt and make it all like in design same. So you make it for this. I didn't. So what you can do here, we have another section, shape divider. So go to the shape divider and we have a lot of plenty of things. So let me make it mountains, you see, or clouds, or zigzag, or curve. Also can be waves, split, book. We can make it like triangle. Also pyramids, we have pan opacity, and I choose this one. It's pretty cool. So when we scroll out, it's look great. So let's work with the title. Give it some background. Let me choose classic, and again this color, and it will look like this a continue of the section. So let me change text like working process. So go into style, how I said, you have to choose from color height. You can choose another colors. Let me choose this one, typography Montserrat, weight 500, transform uppercase, and let it in the center. It's look pretty nice. So let's make latest pictures. Let me give some border, 20 pixels approximately, and go to the next picture, style, border radius 20 pixels. So let's give some animation. When you hover, it has to grow like this. It's cool effect, I like it. So for this also we give hover animation and go. So what we can do, go to advanced motion effects. When we download the page itself or scroll it down, it will go from the up side, fading up, oh no, not fading up, fading down. It will come from the top, and for this one we will make motion effects, fading up. It's cool effect. So we did with this. So what I want to do, give some paddings to work in process. Let me go to the advanced margins, click to this button and give margin approximately 100 margin for this side, and 50 from the top. So then we manipulate with this picture, go into advanced, go into margin, click to this button, and from the top I want to make it -50, which will give like this picture is on this section. So also let me give padding from this section. For this section, let me give margin from the top. I want to, from the both side, from the top and bottom, I want like 100, not 150, 50 pixels, and give animation to this one. Let's make it a little bit, press to this button and give -50. -50. It's pretty nice. We give to this one -50 and to this one it will be looking like symmetric. So what we got for the text? For the text we choose color from the color hunt and copy it to here, and typography let me choose on the left, weight 300, and let me make it a little bit darker. And for this one also like this, let me give color black one, typography Montserrat, and weight 300. So let me give background color, go to the style, classic, color will be like this one. Let me copy it and paste it. Look nice. So for this one also I need style, classic, color, and copy the same color. So how you see, we have like white space here. I don't want to make it like space, so what I can do, I gave margin top 50. So let me make it like let me make it not for margin, let me make it for padding. So how I said in previous tutorials, padding, let me give just for top and right, top and bottom. So I was saying in previous tutorials, margin is outside of the box, paddings inside of the box. So what we see here, when we hover on this picture, we don't have some letters here in the end of this section. So let me give some paddings because it's inside of the box. So let me give padding from the left, from the right, approximately 30 pixels. And for this one, I also make it like this, give padding from the left side 30 pixels. So when you hover on this page, no letters is disappear. So what we have here, nice section. Let me give some space to it. Let me give padding for every picture, like from the top, press to this button, 50. It's cool, yes. Let me did for this one also, paddings, press to this button, 50. And for this one also, go to advanced, from the top, press to the button, 50. It's look nice. So it's minimalistic, and I think we have to make some changes on the background's color. So let me go to the style, go to the color and make some opacity down, yes, somewhere here. And for this one also I want opacity like the top one. Go to the color and opacity down somewhere here. So it looks nice. So let me update it. Update it. Go to the dashboard. Go to the WordPress and go to the localhost WordPress. So we have this awesome page. Next tutorials I will show some also new sections and also new tips. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.